Guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. So, before I get on here and exploring Creeper Canyon, which is over there in that direction, I was exploring for some iron, and my iron pickaxe ran out, but I did find some iron before it did run out, and so yeah, I might make another iron pickaxe, maybe. Although, yeah, I guess I'll make another one. What's my volume not working? I wonder. I don't know. Oh, that's why I had my mic plugged in the wrong spot. Oops. Oh! Well, sorry if my voice sounds terrible right now. Hold on. I'm gonna get my mic plugged back in. Hold on. There we go. Alright. I did not realize there was a drowner. What was I saying? I'm sorry, I need 2 sticks. Okay. Make sticks. I don't think I have. I'll place that chest down I got from that mob spawner cave. My other video, the third one I made in the channel, was uploading, and so, what was I gonna say? Right, I wasn't able to post. I probably could have, but I didn't want to risk anything, so, yeah. Personally, oak wood's my favorite. I think I need like 1 piece of wood to make. Oh, actually, I'm hungry. In that case, I'll have myself some beef. I like beef. I don't think I used to make it. I do now. Like I like to sprinkle on my eggs. That's me. Don't judge me. Let's see if I can make myself some planks. Okay, and then let's see, make myself some sticks. Now I can make myself an iron pickaxe. I only want 1. And then a cave too. So I'm gonna go place these. What do you call them? Iron blocks down. Now we're gonna go exploring for some iron. Sorry, I'm not thinking. My mind, I had like, oof, brain cloud. I was just like, dude. Oh boy. Let's see. I think I got most of the iron here in the canyon. I'll let my health build up. I can get hungry very often. Oh wow, there's just a random pig. He's gonna get killed by lava. I can just see him burning. I gotta wait for my stupid health to rebuild. I don't know, keep exploring. The thing I don't like about Creeper Canyon is like it's awesome and all, but I mean it gets old after a while, kind of, in a way. I still haven't used my gold ore. I'm not exactly sure I'm gonna use that. Maybe make my mansion prettier. Wow, running low on food. I used to be completely supplied with it. Now I'm like, let me start running. There's this slime. I feel like something died. I thought I saw something burning. Oh, it must have been slime because the pig lives on. One more call. Is there spider slime in the walls? I don't know. Hey, we need tons of that. I'm glad this world is iron because I said this before, my house is made basically completely of iron, and so this helps a lot. Oh, that's not good. Good thing I didn't fall. Oh boy. Oh wow. Alright, so, let's see. Oh, well, it seems my Minecraft is, what the, seems my Minecraft is going, I'm gonna add, oh, right. Okay, that's a little glitchy. Oh wow, I'm right, like right on the edge. Sorry about the pop-up ads. I may have a few, but don't worry. I'll get rid of them. Oh wow, that failed miserably. Well, actually, I didn't lose as much health as I thought I would. That's good, I guess. Although there's still that slime. Let's see if I can kill him. Oh, he just died. Hello, Piggy. Hello, Piggy Wig. Hello, Piggy Wiggy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get it. Yeah, go in the lava. Oh wow. I'm the one who went in the lava. Smart pig. Smart pig, I guess. I'm actually I'll start smeltering my iron. Good thing I picked up that coal on the way. Yeah, I'll put in 4 pieces just in case. I don't think we're gonna need all that, but just in case. I hope I find diamonds soon. I'm gonna try and mine somewhere other than Creeper Canyon now. I'm gonna try and find another cave. Creeper Canyon is great and all, but it gets kinda old. Plus, I'm not really seeing any diamond potential. All I've really seen was a tiny bit of lapis lazuli and tons of iron, which I mean is still great because I obviously need iron, but it doesn't seem like diamond potential. No, I don't know. I'm just not seeing it. I'm already level 13. Actually, just in case I need more food later, I guess I'm just gonna go around, killing some animals. Maybe, I don't know. Animals to kill. Get my XP up. What do you call that stuff? Like the HP laptop. Where'd that piggy wig go? There you are, piggy wig. So there's, oh, sorry, it's a little laggy on my computer. Okay, let's see, huh. Let's see if we can, sorry for the lagginess. Oh, there he goes. Oh, stupid chicken. Bye-bye. Is it a chicken or a duck? Nobody knows. And I've lost my house. Well, the good thing is I have, oh, no, I guess I didn't lose it. Never mind. Because, sorry, brain fart again. I have, and keep inventory. Oh, there was a baby! Oh, I'm sorry, baby, you're an orphan. I could take you in. I guess I could take him in. Should I name him Max or something? I have an anvil. Tell you what, I guess I'll keep a sheep. I'll have a pet sheep. He's just a baby. I mean, he won't be a baby forever, but he's just a baby now. So tell you what, I guess, so we'll change your name from Max. Your new name will be We'll call you, if I can, I'll call you, oh, there you go. I'll call you Billy the sheep. I guess I could tame you. I'm not exactly sure how to tame sheep. But if I name him, will that tame him? I don't know. Or maybe he can just be a random sheep that wanders. Hello, Billy. How do you tame sheep? Is what I'm wondering, dude. What do you feed them? I got sugar cane, eggs, sugar. I got some bread. Did I tame him? I don't know. Hello, Billy. Hi, Billy. Um. I mean, I don't really know how to tame you, so bye, Billy. Oh wow, you have more lives than your parents. You last a lot longer, don't you? I'm sorry, Billy. I hate to kill a baby. I'm an abortionist, aren't I? That's horrid. Kids, word of advice for today. No, it's horrid. I've seen footage. The poor baby. Poor mother. Actually, it's the mother's choice, so technically, it's not poor mother. It's horrid doctors. Max and Rocky have just been sitting there for like 3 of my episodes too. I don't know, and they just like, hello, Dad, you ever gonna pay attention to us? It's like, well, maybe I will. If you're good. Ooh, I can make 3. Okay. How many blocks it is? 1, 2, 3. So it's gonna be 10 blocks wide. 10, or not wide, long, or, and then we can start going this way, which is gonna be 20 blocks. So we have 2 blocks that way. So that's good. So we're getting it accomplished. Yeah, we're gonna accomplish definitely. Sorta. I guess I'll go kill this animal. I mean, that's what my title of the video is gonna be. It's gonna be called Killing Animals, because I've killed quite a few in this video for the past, like, 7 or 8 minutes. I hate to call a video that kind of sounds violent, but I mean, I need some XP. I wasted like 4 on Billy. I don't know why I did that. Oh well. Almost level 11. So, I mean, I'm getting back there. I really need to get a house, and my skin will be coming fairly soon. I'm getting it soon. Don't worry. I have the money and all. I found one that I really want, and I think it would fit me. Just to make sure, though. Whoa! Oh, wow. You tried it, too. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Oh, God. His trident's probably a lot more powerful than mine. Where are you, buddy? Oh, no. I lost my trident. Ah, crud. I get 2 tridents. Whoa, cool. I guess I'll have 2. You can stack them up? No, you can't. Okay, oh well. I have 2 tridents now. That's cool. I'll be Aquaman. Somehow I should do Aquaman, like create an Aquaman character, like put on like leather armor and then dye it Aquaman's color and then get like that Steve skin with the blonde, like really long blonde hair, and then get a trident and like or breathe underwater. Hey there, buddy. What you doing? Hi, buddies. Oh, there's even a freaking spider. Hi, buddy. Yeah, so you're up here in Doggy Island, eh? It's not really an island. I don't know why I said A. Doggy Island, eh? Oh, wow, you are on Doggy Island. You can climb. Is that talk by your mama? Anyways, guys, sadly, we have just about run out of time on this video. I hope you did enjoy this video. The title was called Killing Animals, which kind of sounds violent. If it was a goat, that would have made more sense. I don't know. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys all later. Bye.